Traders, hi, it's episode 22 of Trade Talk, and if this is your first time watching, welcome to the channel. I'm a one-man band tonight. Connor's got some major computer issues. It's to do with his internet, so we haven't actually been able to Skype tonight. We tried last night and it's still not working. I apologize for the background noise. That's my cat. He's decided just to be vocal tonight. So someone called me actually recently, like 20 minutes ago, and thought it was a crying baby. I said, no, it's not. So I'm sure that'll be something to look forward to, though. Anyway, guys, I just want to show you the Twitter page. So, thank you for the people who support us. I appreciate it. We're going slowly. Look, the aim that we're trying to bring across here with the Trade Talk series, and we're 22 episodes in here, is weekly. It might be a Tuesday, Wednesday, or a Thursday during the week. We'll put out, the trades that we're taking, what we're doing, our current results. We're both just demo trading right now and also back testing, but it's an insightful and hilarious, but I wouldn't really I mean, maybe hilarious to some people, but it's more just dribble that we talk about two startup trades struggling through the traps and snares of the Forex world. And we're both on the same forum. I don't really want to plug the forum, but it's in the description if you want to learn more about it. And it is called Naked Forex now. I do use indicators. It's more the framework, so you don't necessarily have to have completely naked charts. There's a lot of guys that do automation, they do coding. We've got institutional traders on board as well, so you might have some results, you put it through. The more you share, the better. So I post every day pretty much to it. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up. Anyway, let's get into the charts, guys. Just before I do, obviously, because we're talking money and all that fun stuff, I'm not a professional, financial advisor. I've got a sports science background, so how about that? But yeah, so please just take this, and it is also a demo account. So we're not talking live money, so it's just strategy development here. It's just general advice in nature. It's for educational and entertainment purposes. That's why we put this stuff out. But what myself and Connor are trying to do, and the YouTube channel that's out, is we're just trying to broadcast to everyone, a capture of the progress that we're having, hopefully. So that's what really the aim here of showing you our accounts and stuff. So it's a slow process, but I think trading has sort of got to be respected like that, or else you can easily blow up an account. So I got in on the Aussie dollar at 79.48, and that was on the 19th. On the 19th, is that the 19th? That's the 19th. That might have been it, and that triggered me. And that's been, I wouldn't call it a wild ride, but this is actually 4% total. So I went in a little bit more than I usually do because I got a little confident, which is, I'm a novice trader, and that's evident. But what are my thoughts on this? From a fundamental perspective, I was watching Jared Davies. Apologies if I didn't pronounce the name correctly, but he's a fundamental analysis type trader, and he made a good point. Governor Lowe, he was talking inequality and incomes, and it wasn't positive. So that's caused that to retrace a little bit during the Asian session because that announcement was made today, and now it's coming back. If we can get around break even, I don't want to go and say this, but I might close out because to get through to 80 cents, my first target is 80.48. It's gonna really, inflation was up, I believe, 0.2. So it just wasn't, and Governor Lowe wasn't, he wasn't particularly positive. So that's the current situation. That's where it's at, guys. It, as you can see, it sort of ended, yesterday not too badly. I had an opportunity to sort of get out, but I didn't. And yeah, so that's where we're at. Anyway, guys, so in the description section, you might have noticed I'm giving a link to get Forex Tester. For people who don't know about Forex Tester, it's something that I was recommended by Walter Peters, and he has a gamut of free material on YouTube. So he's a naked trader. He's a doctor in psychology. He actually used to work picking juries for insurance companies in America. Moved to Sydney because he loved the lifestyle, and when he could trade, so he trades more the European session. So he gets to surf in the morning. He has a great lifestyle. But anyway, what I want to bring up is I've linked up with Forex Tester. I reached out to him. I said, if people want to get this, and I do make a commission. It's around 25%, which isn't too bad. So I'm not a communist. Yes, I am trying to make money, but this I just do your research. Watch Walter Peters videos on it. Like, it's extremely helpful, because even demo trading takes a while. If you're a scalper, it's not, you have to wait a minute or a few minutes for a candle to print. But if you're doing 4-hour and daily, and I would highly recommend you look into 4-hour and daily, because I don't know, some people can scalp very well. They have great stress management. Their psychology is more in line with what is needed to tolerate that. But the majority of the population, can't deal with it. So I'm not saying this is for everyone, but if you're looking to get this, guys, one license is down to $229. That's US dollars. You save $70 with it. Is it a bit of money? It is, but losing $5,000 quickly is also pretty traumatizing. So, and that can easily happen if you don't. And I'm sure a lot of people have. Are they going to broadcast it? Hell no, they're not going to talk about it. They just don't trade anymore. And that's why, the brokers love the lower time frames, because, they can take suckers for a ride. There's leverage. You can do it in one day if you really wanted to. Yeah. So that's really my objective here of getting that across. Is there other software stuff? Absolutely. Go ahead and please, I haven't tried it personally, but just do something so you have a little bit of understanding, you have your rules in place, demo trade a little bit, and then go from there. So this is probably going to be a quicker video, but the link is in the description as well, guys. So if you want to, you can download a trial, in fact. But this is when the offer ends, guys. I think this restarts. That's not, I think it's for the 11th. So if you got 4 access to 1 and you want to get 4 access to 3, that's what that's referring to. But yeah, so that's the offer, guys. So I'll just get that out of the way. But yeah, so other than that, yeah, so the Australian dollar has weakened a little bit. What I'll do is I'll wait till New York sort of kicks off 9:30, 10 o'clock-ish in the evening tonight, Perth time. And then I'll see how I sort of play this, because typically what can happen is, what happens in Asia, it'll be a little bit of reverse in European, London and then New York session. So yeah, am I really confident it's going to get to 80? Look, it might, with a big struggle. Like, it's to do now with the US markets and everything. And I was listening to ABC Radio driving home from athletics training tonight after work, and making this video, getting it done. But it was interesting. A guy from Citigroup, he was in analytics or something. I don't know financial terms. I'm not a financial guy. I call it funny mentals. But he was just talking about, it's been an 8-year bull market, and there was a checklist that he had from historical crashes, and only 2 out of 18 were met. So, yeah, like, I think the bulls are still in charge, it sounded like. So, but I mean, he's obviously got his agendas as well. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Connor will be back next week. If you've got any questions, look, the easiest way is just leave a comment. And, people have been doing that. And, there's not a lot of subscribers. The view count's not great. But I try and make these quick, concise, and to the point. So I hope the message is getting across. Just demo trade to start, guys. There's no need to if you have to open a small account, please just don't start trading it, and you'll lose a little bit, and you'll try and make it back. And psychologically, we're not programmed to be very good at trading. It's a very difficult thing. And our human nature is designed to want to win all the time, but trading, that just doesn't happen. If anyone's telling you you're going to win a lot all the time, is lying to you, and it is a scam. Okay? High probability is possible, 70-80%, but winning all the time, that's not how it works. So please just understand that. But that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap up. Less than 10 minutes to go. Connor says hi as well, everyone, and he's going well. He's back testing, so he's hadn't even been able to email me his screenshots and everything, but he's going well. The New Zealand trade closed out on him, so he's okay. He's testing again. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good week and happy trading. Bye.